little shop of horrors, little shop of terrors, call the cops, little shop of horrors, no, oh, no.
Hello everyone, I'm Myron Smith. We're going to take a look at the Audrey 2 pop vinyl figure.
Feed me!
I didn't hear it.
Feed me!
I heard it.
I want food!
Great. A talking plant we've got.
Audrey 2 is a carnivorous plant that needs human blood to survive. This design is based off of the 1986 adaptation of Little Shop of Horrors. Audrey is the love interest of the main character Seymour. He names this plant after her, and that's why the plant's name is Audrey 2. In the original version from 1960, the plant is referred to as Audrey Jr., but this is definitely modeled after the 80s version. This figure is not recommended for children under 3 years old. Let's take a look at it. There's a bit of tape on the top and bottom here. Purchased this from Hot Topic in Danville for $12.50. Alright, this figure is nice and solid. I love the details on this figure. Look at those teeth and that tongue. They also did a great job with the leaves and tentacles. Its head does not turn. It looks like its head would turn, but it does not. This figure is from the Pop Movies line. I'm excited about the new Little Shop of Horrors series. The other figures in this series include Baby Audrey 2, Seymour, his love Audrey, and her demented dentist boyfriend. If you look closely, you'll see Seymour is carrying a little baby Audrey too.